Hey everyone, welcome back to Lift and Shift Fit. Today we're diving into something that's been buzzing around the weight loss community like a barista at 8 a.m., the Coffee Loophole Recipe. Now I know what you're thinking. Coffee? Helping me lose weight? Where do I sign up? Trust me, I was just as skeptical. But this little trick is being hailed as a game changer for shedding those stubborn pounds fast. So, let's brew a cup and see what all the hype is about. We've all been there, right? Trying diet after diet, only to see the scale give you the cold shoulder. Cutting out entire food groups and feeling like you're living in a food desert. And don't get me started on finding the time and energy to exercise. It's like trying to fit a treadmill into a tiny apartment. It just doesn't work. Losing weight isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good too. Extra weight can drain your energy, mess with your mood, and wreak havoc on your health. So, it's no wonder we're always on the lookout for something that makes the process easier and faster. And that's where the Coffee Loophole Recipe steps in. One of the biggest gripes with traditional diets is that they're so dang restrictive. No carbs, no fats, eat only celery sticks and air. It's hard to stick to, and even harder to make those changes last. But what if I told you there was a way to lose weight without feeling like you're in food prison? A way that actually boosts your metabolism and helps you feel fuller for longer. Enter the Coffee Loophole Recipe. It's based on some pretty nifty science. Essentially, the caffeine in coffee revs up your metabolism and suppresses your appetite. Meanwhile, other ingredients in the mix help slow down the release of sugar into your bloodstream, keeping you fuller for longer and helping your body burn fat more efficiently. So how do you whip up this magical brew? It's super simple. You'll need some instant coffee, vanilla extract, and a sweetener of your choice. Mix it all together, brew a cup, and drink it before your morning meal. That's it. But don't just take my word for it. Let me share some success stories. Sarah lost an amazing 15 pounds in just 2 weeks using the Coffee Loophole Recipe. And John, who struggled with his weight for years, shed 30 pounds in 3 months. I love hearing stories like these because they show just how powerful the Coffee Loophole Recipe can be. And it's not just about the number on the scale, it's about how you feel. More energy, better sleep, and a boost in confidence. So, to wrap things up, the Coffee Loophole Recipe is a game-changing way to lose weight fast without depriving yourself. It's based on real science and has been proven to work time and time again. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're as pumped about the Coffee Loophole Recipe as I am, give it a try and share your results in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and recipes like this one. Keep lifting and shifting. Keep lifting and war.